As we discussed in the previous video, the first step toward your goals is always the hardest. That initial resistance can feel overwhelming, but there's a simple way to overcome it. The key is to start with something small. Overcoming just one simple task clears the path for bigger progress. This method, known as the 2-minute rule or micro progress, helps you gain momentum without feeling stuck. Now think about this. What is the one task you've been avoiding for a long time? The one you know is the very first step toward your goal? That's the task you need to start with. But keep these two things in mind. First, instead of taking big, overwhelming steps, start with something realistic and easy. Your brain loves progress, and even tiny achievements release dopamine, which keeps you motivated. This way, the task you've been running from finally gets done. Second, if even the smallest step feels too difficult, break it down into even smaller parts. You don't have to do everything all at once. The goal is to make it so easy that you can't say no to it. For example, if you want to start exercising, don't force yourself to do an intense 1-hour workout. Just put on your workout clothes and do a 2-minute warm-up. If you want to read more, commit to reading just 1 page a day. If you're struggling with writing, start by jotting down a rough outline instead of aiming for a perfect paragraph. You might even start questioning your goal, thinking, maybe this isn't the right destination for me, but stop right there. Your goal is fine. It's just your unrealistic or perfectionist mindset holding you back. Perfectionism kills progress. Big goals can always be broken down into smaller steps, and once you take that first small step, the next one will feel easier. So let go of perfectionism, break your goals into simple steps, and start small. Before you know it, success will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.